the difference in the igniters. The western one closest to us comes on, goes off rapidly. The other igniters stay on for a significantly longer amount of time. They're glowing bright, which makes me think that whatever temperature sensor there is in there now, the flames are out. Whatever temperature sensor is in the center and the eastern one is not detecting that the fire is on. Which might be why they're only trying to come back on one more time. You'll see the igniter glow bright like it is now, then it lights up, then it burns for a certain amount of time, and I suspect that it doesn't detect that it's on, so it turns off the gas again and leaves it off. I think it might be a sensor for the fire, or the heat, in the middle and the last one. Watch, they'll go off again. There it goes, going off again. So I think it's the fire sensor in the middle and the far ones.